thank this brand for sending this to me. This is a steam brush for your cat or dog. And I really thought this was a gimmick, but man, do I love this thing. So it comes with a little tiny bottle, and you just put a little bit of shampoo in it, the rest with water, and then you just put it in here to fill it up. And then it's rechargeable. It comes with a little charger. And then when you turn it on, it puts out cool steam. So what that does is, it's wintertime now. This is going to keep their hair from flying up, keeps the static electricity off of them. It just works really well. It smells good because there's just a tiny bit of shampoo in it. But I love that it's keeping their hair from flying everywhere. It's also keeping the static out of their hair, because normally when I brush them this time of year, it's wintertime, their hair just goes crazy. But then once you're done and you turn it off, then the hair just comes off like that. So it's really great to use. It is almost no sound whatsoever. When I turn it on, like, I can't hear it. So it doesn't scare them or worry them at all. But I really like this. I am very pleasantly surprised. I've got 3 Maltese dogs, and while they don't shed normally when you brush them, they definitely shed. But I just love that this is keeping the static down in the wintertime.